Everybody, it's Donna from Planning with Donna Smith Wilson, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a spring bucket list. I did a quick pre-pull, and I am putting this bucket list on a big size planner sheet. This is cardstock. This is pink cardstock cut down and glued with my AdTech Crafters tape onto here, cut smaller to make it framed, so to speak. I was going to do something like this, but then I thought it would make it too busy. You know, if you want to add washi tape to yours, whatever, knock yourself out, girl. So, anyway, let's get started. I pulled a floral from Live Love Posh, her sticker book. I'll show you in just a second. I'm in mid-pull here. And I took this sticker and cut it in half because I wanted to have this label across the top. But this is from her floral, her, I think it's Spring Florals. I want y'all to be able to see what I'm doing here. Gonna flip this upside down and try to center it as best that I can. If a little bit of it gets nipped off, then all well. There we are. Now, you know me. What in the world got underneath there? I got something hiding under here. That's it, Donna. Just cut the sticker. Really? A piece of sticker. Okay, hold on. Let's do a little surgery. Got it. All right. Patient intact. Yeah, let's push that down right good. Okay. Now, as you know, I like to push my, you know, if you don't like that line right there, then that's okay. It doesn't bother me. This is just a spring bucket list. All right. Now, let's get this all lined back up. And what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to put down the boxes first. So I wanted to create some place to put notes. Like, for example, let's put this one, let's just say right there, okay? Let's try to make sure it is straight. Okay, and then I'm going to move this over here. Let's put, make a spring craft out from it. So the reason I want the box is so if I want to notate what the spring craft was, who I planned the spring craft with, that type of thing. So you get where I'm going with that. Okay, that doesn't have to be perfect. I want it to look sort of whimsical anyhow. So now we're going to put down, let's put down something completely over here. And the thing for me to do, so I know that I've got the right placement, is to just pop this on the side. And I will be visiting a lot. I'm going to put this down here. A farmer's market. Then I'm going to take a family picture, which I have been wanting to do. And this is also going to go sort of into, I have a professional grade camera, and I would like to learn how to use it. And so that's something that I want to do with my granddaughter. You know, I've been telling her forever and a day that I would get her one of these little cameras. And I guess I'm finally going to. And I want to be able to take pictures and go like up on our farm and stuff like that. All right. I'm not going on a bike ride unless it's a moped, but my grandbaby might go on a bike ride and I might tag along. I'm going to try to put stuff where it's comes up off my finger. It's there. I think this is looking super cute. Now, I'm going to switch it up. And on this side, I'm going to pull this up and I'm going to put Pick Fresh Flowers on this side here. And we'll switch it over a little bit. Just like that. Isn't that cute? I think that is like super, super, super cute. I'm going to switch this one because I think it looks sort of weird. I love these from her sticker book. I just think this is the best idea ever. And I'm putting this one. I think this is probably one of the best ideas that I have seen in a while. I love this little idea. I think it's such an awesome idea. I've heard of many people that have done this, to write yourself a letter. And I actually think it's a good idea to write yourself a letter like to your future self. Like maybe, and put it like in a time capsule. I've always wanted to do a time capsule anyway. I just think it would be a super duper cool thing to do. Like I said, and if these aren't like perfectly lined up, that's okay. I want this to have whimsy. So, you know, and if perfectly lined up has to be something that you do you. Perfectly line that bad boy up. It's okay. I mean, I understand. Stuff can drive you a little bit bonkers. Believe me, I'm the queen of that. So I think those two, I know I haven't had any rhyme or reason here. I'm just sort of flying by the seat of my pants on this one. Let's see, this side and that side. And then let's put this one here. I'm just trying to mix them up. And I've got a couple more. And then, really, I'm going to have to band-aid this one back together. What I'm going to do is put that here. I left part of this sticker on paper. Let's see if I can get it to. Probably not, but we're going to try it. Sometimes you just have to sort of, so tiny. And let's take my tweezer, maybe that'll work better. Then we're going to take my glue, lift this up just a smidge. One of these days I'm going to stab myself. And y'all are going to sit back and say, well, you've been saying that forever. There. Best I can do, folks. Like I said, it don't have to be perfect. Now, we got one more to put on here. And of course, it's going to have rain boots on it. That was wax paper you heard ripping, not the sticker. Then you believe it. And I'm going to mix it up and put that. Oh, and that is right beside of that. I know I can't get that back up. So what I'm going to do to give it a little, naturally, that's going to pull off. Turn it back this way. To not make it look too obvious. Is to put it on this side. Which my original plan was not to do that. Let me get my little tiny surgical scissors. And all right. So I actually don't think that looks half bad, guys. I think that's sort of cute. So like I was saying, the reason that I wanted to put the boxes out from here is because I want to be able to make a notation with, of course, you know, write a letter to yourself. Okay, I guess that's going to say me, but like making a craft. Who am I making the craft with, and what was the craft? Who was I with? You know, I want to be able to put down notations and memories of the time that I'm speaking about on here. So what I'm thinking about doing is taking maybe some kind of a, just maybe making some little whimsy flowers in here. I don't know if I'll do that. The books, let's see here, that I used this book exclusively. I used this book, and the florals are in the front that I used. These right here. And I just think I might even could put some flowers just to give it some pop of, maybe, kinda. What do you think? Or should I just leave it alone? I think I should just leave it alone. Because I think if I add these flowers, then it's going to look super busy. So, anywho. So I used the Spring Florals sticker book, Live Love Posh. And this is her website, of course, liveloveposh.com. And this was my take on a spring bucket list. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, I hope that you will consider giving it a big thumbs up. And if you like my planner content so far, I hope that you will consider subscribing to my channel and become part of my planner family. All right, guys, I'm going to catch you on the next video, which is going to be my spring cleaning list video. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, everybody.